Alright, listen everybody. I'm excited. This won't take long, but I have always wanted a railway. Oh, and there goes my card. Bummer. Anyway, I have always wanted a runway, and I'm about to show you the runway I built to my secret underground base. And it is imperative that I make a new minecart. Because why not? Alright. Boom, boom, boom. And this time I'm going to be in it. And let's go. Yeah. Oh, okay. Okay. Is it because nobody was in it? Alright. We're gonna. Alright. We're gonna start that over. We're gonna start that over. Without any further ado, ladies and gentlemen, the minecart. Alright. And we are off. Boom. Boom. Yeah. Yeah. Lava. And here we are in the mine. Barely fitting in the minecart. Yeah. Definitely a pretty long little tunnel. You can see why I wanted the railway, right? You can see why I wanted that. Because I was just mining when I found this little spot, so I figured I would make sure I could get to it a little bit faster and boom. And you might be asking yourself, how are my legs sticking out of this minecart? And the answer is, it's Minecraft. I have no idea. But anyway, yeah. Uh, all the way to here, which right up and around the turn, you know, is the yeah. This is not usually how I get up here. I come up that way, but yeah, boom. So, boom. I drop down in my out of my little box house on the island. Come down here. I'll swipe this thing. Hey, yeah. And here we go. Going right back into the jungle. That was kind of true. Yeah, just wanted to show this off. I'm gonna build it up a little bit further to the water, but I've obviously you can see my rails. I've run out. Still have material. I actually went back to the mine I was at yesterday in the video and got a crap ton of that iron. I have like 2 stacks smelting up in the main house right now, and plus all this iron that I haven't smelted here. This gold. I mean, we got all kinds of resources. I accidentally did this. You can see I got inner chest. I did start this over here, but the lava keeps continuing over and through there, so I'm gonna kind of just save it for when I need more obsidian, but I got a crap ton already. So, but anyway, yeah. Big Solo MC on YouTube. Subscribe. I just wanted you guys to see my my new nifty little railway. So make sure you guys like and comment, and we'll see you next time.